So today I'm going to show you how you can automate your process for the manufacturing. First, I'm going to define in the warehouse that the manufacturer will be in three steps. First, we will pick the components, then it will be sent to the manufacturing, and then we will get it back in our stock. So I'm saving this. Now, if I go into the manufacturing, this is a demo database, so you may need to set up these things in your UAT database. So here, let's say I'm going to create a new MO. Here it is, and I will save it. Here the configuration is simple, like I can just produce without any work orders and routings. Okay, so I'm clicking on the mark as to do. As I click this button, the system will generate transfers, and if you click on that, you will see that there are two transfers. One is waiting for another operation, and one is waiting. This transfer you have to make. This is you will send the components from stock location to pre-production. Okay, if I click this one, you can see the all the components for that bill of material or for that manufacturing order here. So if I go back in the manufacturing orders list, I can also see that it is available. The material availability is waiting for another operation. So if I go again and if I check the availability, I will not have any stock because there is no stock available in pre-production location. So if I'm going into the transfer here and I'm checking the availability here, now I have reserved these items. Now as soon as I validate this, the system will automatically reserve the quantities in the manufacturing order. If I go back into the manufacturing order, here this one, now you can see that the reservation is already set according to the transfer I made. And if I click again on the transfers, then it is saying that one is done and one is waiting for another operation. It is the status of this waiting for another operation is because we don't have any finished product in our post-production location. So that's why it is in waiting another operation. So I'm going back into the manufacturing order, and then I'm clicking on produce. And now I have decided to produce this. Okay, so this is produced. Now I have to click on mark as done to complete that order. Now if I go into that transfers, now you can say you can see that the status is ready now. So I can just go over there and just validate this because it is already reserved. And what I'm doing here is I'm just moving my finished product from the post production to the stock, to the actual stock location. So this is the process of three-way manufacturing process. So if you like that process, then you should be testing it in your UAT environment. And then if everything goes well, then you can shift it to the production. Remember, it will not affect any of the manufacturing orders which are already created. It will be it will take effect if you have new manufacturing orders. So thank you for watching.